Yes, a damaged garage door can often be repaired in Panama City, Florida. Common issues like broken springs, worn rollers, and misaligned tracks are usually fixable. Frayed cables or malfunctioning openers also fall under repairable problems. Storm or impact damage may dent panels but doesn't always require full replacement. If your door is warped or has multiple damaged panels, replacement may be better. Delaying garage door repair can lead to safety and security risks. Timely service helps avoid worsening damage and costly fixes later. Garage door systems involve high-tension parts, so DIY repairs are risky. Professional help from experts like 850 Garage Doors ensures safe, reliable repairs. Regular maintenance extends your door's lifespan and prevents major issues.